Divorce mediation versus DIY divorce in Riverside County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're getting divorced in Riverside County and want to avoid expensive attorney fees, you're probably looking at two main options: divorce mediation or handling the divorce yourself. So how do you decide which is right for you? Let's break it down. Divorce mediation involves hiring a neutral third party to help you and your spouse reach an agreement. This can be helpful if there are unresolved issues like parenting time or finances, but you still want to avoid court. Mediators help guide the conversation, but they don't file paperwork or complete court forms for you. That's where many people get stuck. DIY divorce is ideal if you're already in agreement. You don't need court or mediation, just someone to handle the paperwork properly and get your case approved. We recently helped a Riverside couple who spent money on mediation, only to find out their mediator didn't file anything. We stepped in, completed the paperwork, and got their case finalized quickly. At Divorce 661, we handle everything from filing and disclosures to final judgment, without the need for court or mediation. If you do need help reaching an agreement, we also partner with professional mediators when needed. Either way, we take care of the process start to finish. If you're filing for divorce in Riverside County and want to know whether you need mediation, or if you can skip straight to a simple, affordable solution, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll guide you to the best approach for your situation and make sure everything is done right the first time.